With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So for this question, statement 1 is, in the absence of current in the conducting wire, the random motion of electrons is zigzag, with electrons moving in a straight line between two successive collisions. And statement 2 says that when a current is set up, the path of an electrons between two successive collisions becomes curved. So friends, as we know that when there is no electric field applied in this conductor, so the electron will move in a zigzag motion. So that is a random motion. It can move in any direction in this conductor, but between any two collisions, the electron is assumed to move in a straight line. So it is assumed to move in a straight line. Hence we can say that in the absence of current, that is, in the absence of electric field, there is no current as the electron is moving in zigzag direction. So I net comes out to be equals to 0 as electric field applied is equals to 0. So friends, the statement 1 proves to be the correct one. Now friends, checking the statement 2. So friends, as we apply a electric field in this conductor, let the electric field be in this direction. So the electron feels a force that is equals to E times of E in magnitude, and its direction is opposite to that of electric field. So each electron will feel a force something in this direction. As the force is in this direction, so each electron will move in the direction opposite to the electric field. Hence, a net current is established in this conductor. But at this time also, the electron will move in a straight line. So we can say that when E is not equals to 0, so there exists a current that is I net, which is also not equals to 0, but between two successive collisions, they follow a path that is a straight line. A straight line path is followed by the electrons. So we can say that the statement 2 is the false one. Now let's check the options. So we have arrived with the result that statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So option 3 is the correct one. Thank you friends.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.